What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with you today. Top camera, boom. The question was, can I use Mobil Control II by ESU with my NCE Power Cap wirelessly connected to the Y throttle server and run my trains? Yes, you can. And I'm going to show you. But before, I want to mention a couple of things, and I don't want you guys overwhelmed with the wiring and my crazy Russian style. Alright, so after this video, there will be video about how I, two parts in one video, how I set up everything here, alright? Running my phone and like a tablet. But now, also I mentioned about firmware, and we'll talk about it more. Firmware of the power cap, because you can change speed. I didn't do it yet. I'll do it later. If you already have like some answers, experience with it, let me know. Or if you have video, that will be great. I'll definitely link to your video. So with the latest firmware, how to find out the firmware, you just pressing 5 times that the program escape, 1 2 3 4 5, hitting enter, and it's version 165B. Same thing here. If we're going to the desktop, to the website, so I just type something like what's the latest NCE Power Cap version, and that I got to this website. So you can read something more about it here, about USB connection and all that stuff, and they putting some notes. With this saying, on the diagram of the, let's go to the top camera again, it shows you how to adjust the speed. I'm happy with the speed right now, the communication speed of USB interface, okay? And we just go to the desktop again, and soon we're going to start running. So everything looks healthy. So I have the same procedure. NCE, we're going to show cabs, it refreshing automatically. If it's not, just hit that refresh button, boom. So the 2 is for power cab, and 3 for computer interface on local network, NC network. Okay, the closing this, I start the panel, you see the engine, I can change the direction to forward, and lights, and we hit like F5, and lights and everything operational. If I hit F8, unmuted. Okay, so it's all good. My Y throttle server, like in the previous video, starts automatically, and as soon as we're going back to the top camera, as soon as I start engine driver, which is I install, and the latest version, I believe it's 2.2493. I think update just came recently. And again, I'm happy how's everything working. It's not fast as phone or tablet, and tablet actually very old, but again, it works great. So as I mentioned before, that thing, the server pops automatically, and you just select it. All right, select the address. I'm doing this upside down, so sorry about that, not super fast, and acquire that address. Boom, now I'm on the engine. If I hit F8, oh, did I put 33? Oops, yeah, mistake, never mind. We just go easy, just to exit. It maybe help you. Again, start this. We'll check the desktop. Actually, here we go, I almost forgot. See this, engine driver ESU Mobil. Let's extend that. Mobil Control II, perfect. Top camera back. So select, I want to hit like 3 times address, just once. All right, here. The reason I saw it's wrong because all those feedback buttons didn't work properly. All right, so here we go. Now, the beauty of this throttle, it fits my hand very well. My finger is very short, so, and I really like it. The battery life is very good. And a couple of things. So if you want to change direction, that's your direction button. You might see here not really catching very well the direction changing. And with precise control, you can use with the knob, but like first few steps, or you want to slow it down slowly, you're just pressing those buttons. Okay, so I'm changing direction again, and we unmuting. I'm doing it here as well. Unmuting and running backwards. First step. Soundtracks decoder out of the box works great. So I'm using computer right now, blowing horn, bell, and what I'm doing right now, I'm changing direction with the same speed step. Bell, and this is momentarily, so if I need to hold it, the horn will play longer. Once again, and now I can control with the knob. Have a lot of space to run. Changing direction. And on the computer, again, for example, I'm just here we go. Immediately I can take control of the engine with my throttle. So be careful with this, because if you accidentally grab somebody's engine, just like will be maybe an accident or something. So watch what you're doing. All right, we're stopping and making reverse. So hitting F8, muting, same thing I can do on my throttle here. Unmute it again. Oops, I'm on the wrongs, of course. Escape to the engine, unmute it, and we already backwards, yeah, and we just started engine. Changing directions. Lights and ditch lights. Bell. Here we go. Mute it again. Yeah, a little bit hard for me to do everything upside down. It's okay. You guys get the point. So watch the video is coming. You will understand more about all system. Thanks for watching, supporting business and channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.